Hello, I'm Rabi Hassan, and in this video, I we will talk. It is our last video of the $105 per week series, and in this video, we are going to talk about our traffic, how to get. I am going to share my traffic source, and I will teach you how to use your traffic, how to make a gateway to promote your offers, and all the stuffs in front of your traffic. And please watch the video carefully and watch till in. Don't skip any second, because if you skip a second, if you skip an instruction, then I think you will going to face a failure again, just because every step what I'm going to share with you is expensive and too secret, and it's my personal strategy. So that's why you have to understand the thing, understand the whole thing, and you have to just spend some time. If you have any problem, then you can ask me in the comment box, and you can actually connect me with Facebook personally. I will we will if you have any problem, then I can help you to solve the problem. That's it. So if you like my video, just like my if you just get any help from my video, just like my video, make a sweet comment, and subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel. And every Sunday we will have a giveaway where I share some paid things, free actually, which is very expensive for newbies, and I love to help people. That's it. So our traffic source will be Facebook, YouTube, and Quora, Pinterest. That's it. And the social medias will be our traffic source. What we are going to share, that is the I suggest three niche. Yes, three niche: health and fitness niche, and I suggest the software downloading niche. Yes, the okay. I am just writing it. I can't say actually, just because the YouTube rules. It's the I will make a mistake in the spelling, just because the YouTube rules. That's it. Yes. If you are working on this niche, if you are working on the software niche, then use those types software to promote your offers. And I already shared what is your content and how your content will be. So use those type software to uh, complete your sponsor activity, to make money. So, and I already tell the, so if health and fitness related niche, uh, software downloading niche actually. And yes, I just suggest the two niche for this, for the method. And the downloading niche is very effective for the niche, and health fitness related niche is quite effective for the niche. So, and please, I the main instruction you have to follow this: just work with one niche, be expert in one niche. Don't just don't spell with many niche. Don't work with many niche. Just work with one niche, then you will be expert in the niche. Then you will automatically generate many ideas with your niche, and how to make money with it. So what we have to do, I'm using a downloading niche actually. Suppose I have a software, that is MS Office software, which is what I already write it, which is paid software, and I'm going to share with it with my traffic is free, and MS Office 2019. So I have the software on my site, and Now what I have to do, I have to make make YouTube videos. First we have to catch the YouTube. If we catch the YouTube, we can rank our videos in YouTube and Facebook, YouTube and Google. Yes, if we are using blog, then we can stand out in Google actually. Then our traffic will be automatic generated with the SEO. If you have some in a little money to invest on it, just like $20 to $30, then just buy a domain and hosting, and just make a WordPress site, or just buy a domain with your and transform your blog into your domain, custom domain, and you can rank easily in Google. So what we have to do, let's search MS Office 2090 paid. Okay. Free download, free download for understand. Let's see what happens. Okay, just but again I am just showing it as an example, but you have to make your content with high rated secret uh, stuffs, secret softwares. MS Office is very general thing, so you can't use it as your content. You have to use a special thing as your content to make money, make a good money with it. Just use many mailing software, many just work in your niche. And I can't say as much because your niche, your brain, your creativity, your money, your effort, your success. So you have to make a effort, you have to do hard work on it, because you have to earn money and you have to do hard work. So we have to upload a video. I'm just going to pause it. You have to upload a video which will going to stand out on YouTube. And now you can your question is, sir, how we can stand out in YouTube? We don't know how to SEO a video in YouTube. I'm going to answer this question, that is, sir, I am going to teach you how to stand out in YouTube. Yes, after this series I am going to start a series uh, with video marketing series, where I just teach where I will teach you how to do marketing with videos. And in this course I will share how you can stand out in YouTube. Yes, so don't need to take any tension. And after you, okay, I think I will share how to stand out in YouTube. Will I will share a video tomorrow. Okay, okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow I will share a video how to stand out on YouTube, and how to stand out your video on Google actually. So we had just solved the problem via to YouTube, for YouTube. We just solved the problem of YouTube. If you're any, just search local TNG. SNK TNG is a SEO software which is you can already uh, you can already see that water coming. So we use SNK TNG download. Let's see what happens. Already comes all the stuff. So you have to work this types with this type software to earn money. You have to make a site, free blog site or WordPress site or custom site, and you need the video, you need a video to generate traffic from YouTube, and you need a video to generate traffic from Google actually. You need a website, free blog site, or a WordPress site, free WordPress site, anything you want. it will need it to generate traffic from the Google search. So I just revealed YouTube traffic source and Google traffic source. If you stand out in YouTube, then you automatically will be stand out in Google and Google and Google, and if you stand out in YouTube, then you will be automatically stand out in Google. And your website which is linked with your YouTube account, then it will be automatically going to stand out in Google search. So let's see, I just make a video which is actually ranked on Google. So let's just see how it traffic source. Okay, so you source for internet marketing. Okay. Oops, I just other right wrong thing. Just yes, you will just specifically stand out in one one keyword. Yes. Let's just search. If I search with the first keyword, and then you can just see what happens. Oops, it just disposed. Okay, but it's not the problem if if you're what if you're okay. Then it just ranked till it is a rank on the Google with the same keyword, but it going to be disposal with some reason of a traffic. You have to update your SEO every time. So we are not going to talk about the SEO for now. What do you have to do? You have to make videos, you have to upload the videos on YouTube, you have to make a free blog or website where you have to upload daily post related to your YouTube videos, YouTube contents, and you have to go to your Facebook. Then the first YouTube, I already said how you can generate traffic from YouTube, and I already said how you can generate traffic from Google. So let's see. uh, I know I'm just I know my English is a little glitchy, and I'm working on it, and I'm improving it day by day. So just compromise it. Now what we have to do, we have to generate traffic from our Facebook. Let's click on Facebook. Notice, special notice. Yes, special notice. Special notice. I have already shared a paid course which is cost $98. What is about traffic source? Yes, what is all about traffic source? Just download the course free. Actually, I'm sharing with you already free. Just download the course and learn more about your traffic source to make more money. Yes, it is the down, and there is the download link in the description. Yes, there is the download link in the description box, so you can download it. You have to go to your Facebook, and you have to post in okay, I'm not going to Facebook, just I'm saying you that you have to go to your Facebook, then you have to join many groups like software downloading groups and many more groups where they talk about softwares. What your software, just like you have a SNUK TNG software, which is a SEO boosting software. Just go to the SEO groups, SEO related groups, and share just post post a thing like, hey, I have a syndicate TNG software, and it is very effective for Google ranking for newbies, and if you want the software and the paid software free, then you can contact me, and you can message me personally, and I will share my software. Then if anyone want that, then they will message you and share your main website link, and just told them to just go to my site and find the SNUK TNG. Then they will go to your website, find they will find it, and they will complete a sponsor activity to download it. That's it. I already said. I already said you how you can generate traffic from YouTube, how you can generate for traffic from Google, how you can generate traffic from Facebook groups. Now, go to Facebook page related those things, and uh, make some comment that I have a SEO software. Don't take those name in this, and in this page comments. Actually, I have a software which is very useful in a work in a what your software in the niche. I have a software which is very effective in the sector, and if you want this, then you can just message me. I will send you the download link, and it is absolutely free, no money need. Just do some marketing like this, and yes, that's how you can use Facebook for content locking method. I have a student who just run a YouTube channel, who run a Facebook group, and who do some Facebook free marketing. That what I already said. They and he earned $70 per day. Yes, he earned $70 per day. Just but I just asked him, what is your main traffic source? Is it Facebook? But then he says that no, sir, my main traffic source is YouTube and Google. I just most of the traffic are from my YouTube videos, and most of 30% traffic from my Google, and it's a unbelievable earning with a content locker. So I am finishing the course 7 series video of content locking with the video, and I already shared my traffic sources, and I already shared how you can get your traffic sources, and I already shared how to promote your contents in for locked contents in front of your traffic. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you. If you are new in my channel, just subscribe my channel for more content like this. And if you face any problem in your work, and if you want to know many more, then just contact me in my Facebook, join my Facebook group and like my Facebook page, and you can message me personally on my Facebook. My ID is given in the description box. And again, thank you for watching my videos. If you get any help from my videos, just like my video and subscribe my channel, and inspire me to make more content, secret methods of earning for you guys. And I'm working hard for you guys with no cost. So please show some support for me. Okay, I'm Robinson signing off for now. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye.